Children, and welcome to the class. Today we are going to learn greater than, smaller than and equals to. Now children, you can see it is an alligator, and this alligator loves to eat big numbers. So let's see. Now before we do our exercise, we must know the signs of greater than, equals to, less than. You can see children, greater than. Here we have two numbers, 8 and 3. This is the mouth of an alligator. An alligator who always loves to eat big numbers. So now children, as 8 is bigger than 3, so the alligator will love to eat 8. So he opened his mouth towards 8. Now here we have 2 and 7. The alligator loves to eat big numbers. So 7 is more than 2. So the alligator is opening his mouth towards the biggest number, that is 7. And when both the sides have the same number, the alligator closed his mouth and stay quiet because he is confused which one to eat, because both the sign they have same numbers. So let's do some exercise here. Now see children, there are some numbers and circles in between. What we have to do, we have to put the correct sign in the middle of the numbers. So as now we have learned that the alligator loves to eat big number, so he will open his mouth towards the big number. So now let's do it. Now see children, here we have 2 and 1. So now children, tell me which is the biggest number. For 1 we have 1 finger, and for 2 we have 2 fingers. So 2 have more fingers. That means 2 is bigger than 1. So the alligator will open his mouth towards 2. Now the next number is 10 and 5. So again children, 5 have 5 fingers and 10 have 10 fingers. So which number have more fingers? Yes, 10. So alligator will eat 10. Now look at the next number. We have 9 on both the side. Now the alligator is confused. So here will be the sign of equal to, because it is equal on both the side. It is also 9. The right also 9. The left is also 9. Okay. Our next number is 8 and 4. For this, for 4 we have 4 fingers, and for 8 we have 8 fingers. That means 8 we have more fingers, so 8 is bigger than 4. Then the alligator will eat 8. Now our next is 4 and 9. So which one is bigger, 4 or 9? Correct, 9. Our next number is 7 and 6. So children, in this number we know that 7 is one more than 6. So the alligator will eat 7. Now our next number is 1 and 3. So 1 have 1 finger and 3 have 3 fingers. So the alligator will eat 3. Now the next number is 6 on both the sides. So what will be the sign here? Equals to. Next number is, oops, again we have 3 on both the side. Now what will be the sign here? Equals to. Next number is 8 and 2. So children, which is the biggest number? 8 or 2? Yes, 8. Our next number is 2 and 1. So which is the biggest number? 2, correct. Our next number is 7 and 10. So which is the biggest number? 7 or 10? Right, 10 is the biggest number. So now children, do practice at home.